Catalog search. You can access the catalog via our homepage. The catalog lists all electronic and printed media in our collection. However, only a few journal articles are indexed in our catalog. To find current journal articles, we recommend searching our databases. The first entry point for the search can be all fields. This means all text fields such as title, author, subject, but also ISBN or ISSN can be found here. In this example, we search for these terms using the simple search: sustainability and circular economy. The filters for limiting the number of results are located here. To obtain more precise search results, you can also search in the subject field. The result list has been reduced from 333 hits to 75 results. Let's take a closer look at one of those results. Here you can find general information. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.